Baked by the blue water shining in the sun. Green lawn rolls down where the lake days run. Private point living with the wide open view. Smith Mountain Lake keeps calling you. Edna, Jamieson, Woods says come see the light. Wainwright Co, Realtors brings a dream inside. Found panoramic morning, sunset, firelight glow. This is lakefront luxury with room to let go. Step through a glass door to hardwood and grace. Vaulted ceilings lift up the great room space. Stone fireplace warming that open floor plan. Quartile and kitchen where the weekends began. Remodeled in 2022, clean and bright. Designer finishes make every corner feel right. Point life paradise, deep daughter all around. Free slip covered dock where the good life is found. Panoramic morning, sunset, fire glow. This is lakefront luxury with room to let go. Primary suites on the main level way. Blackout blinds glide down when the evening gets late. Lakeview bedrooms updated past that shine. Walk-in shower sparkle, double vanity lines. 4 bedrooms total with space for every stay. Edna, Jamieson, Wood can show the way. Screen porch breezes, big chairs by the rail. Patio, calm on a warm lake trail. Break 5 midnights with the dock lights low. Cabana by the water where the soft waves roll. Over 500 feet of shoreline to roam. Nearly 1 acre makes this point feel like home. No one ever living with a second kitchen too. Guest rooms, family room, walk out lakefront view. All by grand style, built strong and standing tall. Insulated windows, storage space for all. Dual zone comfort and a generator on call. Wainwright Co, Realtors knows it all. Point light paradise, big party all around. Free slick covered dock where the good life is found. Panoramic morning, sunset, firelight glow. This is